Staff is the biggest asset that we have.
My leadership style is hands-on. Go to the outlets and focusing on the detailing. So we always need to communicate together how to solve the problems and also how to provide the better service for customers.
I've always studied and always observed how companies prosper. Always remember, stay humble, ask people. There's no harm in asking.
Actually, I always reading the books and also see more people to ask them what their suggestion for us, for me, and also justify which business can venture into. I always ask experienced people.
First unusual events, I think we all know COVID and the MCO that destroyed a lot of businesses. And I never retrenched any of the staff because if I retrench them, how am I going to get them back after the MCO? Those are the things that we have to manage.
For me, I think it's stay positive. We will always facing many challenges. So the problem we're facing, not only one person to face it,
Team
as a team. Try to make it a better environment and also a happy environment for all our teams.
I empower certain staff by instilling certain principles in them, and they act according to those principles. They can actually do whatever they want. Don't think of it yourself. Get a team to do it. Selecting the right people, the right talent, and then get the team together. Let them do it. You'll be amazed at the results. Trust them. Staff is the biggest asset that we have. The thing money cannot buy: talent, staff, loyalty. As bosses, you have to have this ability to spot talent. Generally, in every team, there will be some leaders. You're bound to have, let's say, a group of workers. Out of 10, there'll be one or two who will stand out. Pick those, empower them. Let them learn how to solve problems.